Linking a bank account on Google Pay is a straightforward process that allows you to make transactions easily. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open Google Pay. Launch the Google Pay app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your Google account. Step 2. Access payment methods. Tap on your profile picture or the menu icon in the top right corner. Select payment methods from the options available. Step 3. Add a bank account. Look for the option to add bank account or link bank account. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter bank details. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Make sure the details are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Verify your account. Once you have entered your bank details, Google Pay may require you to verify your account. This could involve receiving a verification code via SMS or email. Follow the instructions to complete the verification process. Now you are ready to use your linked bank account for transactions on Google Pay. Enjoy the convenience of making payments directly from your bank.